Welcome to Future Finance, your go-to place for everything finance, business, and investment. Here we break down complex financial concepts, reveal smart investment strategies, and share insights from successful business leaders. Ever looked at your bank balance and wondered, where did all my money go? Or maybe you've heard terms like budgeting and investments and felt it's all just too complicated? Well, if that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down personal finance basics for beginners. Simple, practical steps anyone can start with. 1. Setting financial goals. Step 1 in mastering your money. Set clear financial goals. Picture this like a roadmap. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a destination, right? The same goes for your money. Financial goals come in 3 types. 1. Short-term, like saving for a new phone in 6 months. 2. Medium-term, a dream vacation in a year or 2. 3. And long-term, like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Write down your goals and set a target amount for each. This will keep you motivated and help you focus on your spending and saving habits. 2. Creating a budget. Now that you have goals, let's talk about budgeting, a powerful tool to achieve them. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you see where each dollar is going and helps you avoid unnecessary expenses. Here's an easy method, the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs like rent, groceries, and bills. Use 30% for wants like dining out, hobbies, or shopping. And finally, allocate 20% for savings and debt repayment. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about having control. You're telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. 3. Building an emergency fund. Here's an important step that many people overlook. Building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Think of car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. An emergency fund is your safety net. Experts suggest setting aside enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Don't worry if that sounds overwhelming. Start small. Even putting aside a bit each month helps. Automatic transfers can make this easier. Just set it and forget it until you have that peace of mind cushion. 4. Managing debt. Wisely. Debt can be a major hurdle in personal finance. Credit card bills, student loans, car payments, it can feel like they never end. But managing debt wisely is key to financial health. 2 popular methods to pay off debt are the snowball and avalanche methods. In the snowball method, you pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. With the avalanche method, you focus on debts with the highest interest rate, which saves you more in the long run. Pick a method that feels right for you and stick with it, and try to avoid accumulating more debt while you're repaying existing ones. 5. Understanding credit. Let's talk credit, a topic that often confuses people. Your credit score impacts your ability to borrow money for big things, like a house or a car, and can even affect your interest rates. Your credit score is affected by things like payment history, credit utilization, that's how much credit you're using compared to your limit, and the length of your credit history. To maintain or improve your score, make payments on time, try not to max out your cards, and keep a few accounts open long-term to show stability. 6. Start investing early. Once you have a budget, emergency fund, and manageable debt, it's time to make your money work for you. Investing may seem scary, but starting small can lead to big rewards over time. Compound interest is the magic of investing. It's where your money earns money on the interest already earned. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow exponentially over the years. If you're a beginner, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which spread your risk across many stocks. Apps and platforms make it easier than ever to get started, even with small amounts. 7. Keep learning and adjusting. Reading a personal finance book or watching a finance video on their laptop. Managing your personal finances is a lifelong journey, not a one-time project. Keep learning new strategies, adjusting your goals, and checking in with your budget. There are so many resources, books, podcasts, blogs, that make personal finance easy to understand. The more you know, the better you'll be able to make your money work for you. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. With clear goals, a solid budget, and smart habits, you'll be on your way to a financially secure future. Don't let the jargon and numbers scare you off. Personal finance is for everyone, and you can absolutely do this. Hit that like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your money. Now go out there and take control of your financial future.